Alright, this is my home away from home. Got that editing crew here with a big camera. Got the, I think y'all seen this here before, the Lamborghini. Got the guy here that works on all kinds of stuff. Got the RX-7 with the LS engine in it. Got this is just a normal worker here. I think you own part of the company, right?
Yep. I own electricity.
He owns the company. This is just a Mercedes that looks just like mine.
Brad's car.
But mine's got 500 horsepower. I think this one has a 350. But anyway, this badass Mustang is being rebuilt and redone. It's my home away from home. They're working on gonna do a video on this car and how it gets cleaned up and all the good stuff. Anyway, fun place to go.
I mean, that's just so cool. I know.
Bye-bye.